It is rare to see female enlisted members face court-martial. When this happens, it is surprising to see demotions and not discharges from duty. Interestingly, we perused the dockets and found such a case. Let's dive into the case of the United States versus Master Sergeant Eileen Echaluse. Eileen Echaluse has had a distinguished career in the U.S. Air Force since enlisting in August 2011. Originally from Saipan, she is the first member of her family to join the Air Force. She began her career as a services craftsman, a role she held for the first 7 years while stationed at Fairchild Air Force Base, Washington. During this time, she also served as an Honor Guard manager. In March 2018, Echaluse transitioned to become a military training instructor MTI at the 331st Training Squadron, Joint Base San Antonio Lackland, Texas. Her dedication and excellence in this role led to her being awarded the Distinguished Master Military Training Instructor, Blue Rope, in October 2021. One of her notable assignments was leading trainees through basic military training, BMT, at Keesler AFB, Mississippi, for 8 months in 2020 as part of a contingency response to COVID-19. Throughout her career, Echaluse has been recognized for her leadership and commitment to the Air Force. She has served as the non-commissioned officer of military drill and ceremonies for the 331st Training Squadron and has been instrumental in shaping the next generation of airmen. However, her career was far from spotless. Instead, it was blemished by poor decisions. Around October 2022, a master sergeant was appointed to investigate, amongst other things, if members believed that where Sergeant Echaluse worked during the investigation, whether she fostered or currently fosters an environment that created or currently creates an appearance of favoritism or unprofessionalism within the workplace. The investigator was also charged with discovering if anyone had any knowledge of inappropriate behavior or unprofessional relationships that were caused or influenced by anyone in the workplace, or either on or off duty. Subsequently, in February 2023, Master Sergeant Echaluse was charged with 4 specifications of dereliction of duty under Article 92-3, stemming from events starting in 2022 in Osan Air Base, Republic of Korea. Those charges were referred to a special court-martial consisting of a military judge alone. Witnesses were called into question about a trip where people stayed overnight in a hotel, a bullying incident, the appearance of favoritism, a staff sergeant with whom she had an alleged unprofessional relationship, and 2 senior airmen with whom she allegedly had unprofessional relationships. Yes, that is 3 people. Her peers, supervisors, and leadership were also called to testify on her character. Her attorney called into question the ambiguity of the charges, specifically the dereliction of duty. They requested clarity as the information was vital for her to understand the charge and prepare for trial to properly defend the offenses she faced. The government responded to the request that the dereliction of duty charge was ambiguous with the following. Because the government has charged the accused under Article 92-3 and not Article 92-1, the government is not required to cite a specific order. Additionally, the government has previously provided notice to the defense through Bill of Particulars. That is, was her duty to refrain from unprofessional relationships. This was derived from long-established customs of the service. These customs are expressed in Air Force Instruction 36-2909, and it places the her on notice that her conduct is impermissible. Ultimately, on April 14, 2023, at Osan Air Base, South Korea, Master Sergeant Eileen G. Echaluse faced a special court-martial by military judge alone. She was found guilty of all 3 specifications of Article 92. The military judge sentenced the accused to be reduced from E7 to E6. Technical Sergeant Echaluse was also reprimanded. She did not face forfeitures in pay, confinement, or punitive discharge.
In the military, justice is served through court-martial. It is a process that is designed to ensure that all service members are treated fairly and that the rules and regulations are upheld. While the process can be challenging, it is important to remember that it is essential to maintaining order and discipline within the military. If you enjoyed this video, like it. Hit the notification bell for all updates.